Salut mes amis. My name's Earthtone, and today in this video I just want to talk about my experiences on growing a new type beat channel in 2024. But before we get into it, I just want to say please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and please join the new Discord that I made down below in the description. Thank you. Let's get into it. Alright, so you probably already heard all the basic typical methods to growing a new type beat channel, like posting every day, picking a small niche, and picking a niche with little to no competition at all. I haven't been doing any of those things, and I've been able to gain almost 400 subs, and my average views being around 700 to over 1,000 views per video, and also my highest viewed having over 30k views in just 2 months. So how did I do it? So I kind of lied. I have been sticking to one niche, kinda, but I don't post every day, and I picked a pretty saturated niche to go after. But that was intentional, because while everybody chooses to go after small niches, I chose to go after the big ones. Because the way the YouTube algorithm works is they want new users on their platform, and they encourage new users to post and be consistent on their platform. So if you're a new user with no following at all, they're going to push your videos. If they see you being consistent, they will push your videos no matter what niche you're going after, no matter how much competition there is, they will push your video. So I say, choose a big niche. Don't go after the small ones. Even though you can find success in any lane you choose, but don't be discouraged to go after the big niches, because there's room for everybody. So with that being said, stop letting the small numbers discourage you from being consistent, because of course you're not going to have thousands of views on your first video. That happens for some people, but it's rare. It doesn't happen for everybody. As long as you stay consistent, you will start to see results. Because my first video that I posted was a Tyler the Creator type beat, and that video got like 30 to 60 views within like a couple weeks. It wasn't getting any views, and it's still one of my lowest viewed videos now. I think it only has around like less than 200, I think. But now I have a video with over 30,000 views because I stay consistent, very consistent. And of course, when I started my channel, I was getting less than 100 views per video, but I didn't let that stop me. I kept posting. I posted around 3 to 4 beats a week, kept staying consistent. My views went from an average of 100 views per video to 200, then from 200 to 400, then from 400, then I started getting videos that hit the thousands, and now my average views are sitting at around 700 to 1,000 views per video. And that's pretty good for a type B channel, especially one that's only been doing it for 2 months. And I don't post every day. And one thing I noticed, the algorithm usually starts to push channels around your 10th to 20th upload. So within your 10th to 20th video, you'll start to see traction on your channel. And just to prove that this method of consistency and going for a big niche works, I have my old type B channel that I started back in 2021, and in almost 3 years I've only been able to gain 336 subscribers, and my channel that I have now is almost at 400. It surpassed that channel in less than 2 months. A 3-year-old channel compared to a 2-month-old channel is already doing way better. So that just goes to show that my method actually works. And with the almost 3-year-old channel, my highest viewed video is only sitting at 21k. I already have a video on my other channel, on this channel now, that's at 30k, and I have a video that's at almost 4k. Yeah, I have a few videos that hit over the thousands. So this just goes to show that consistency actually works. So stick with it. Because I was being super inconsistent on my old channel, and I barely seen any growth. I remember I was so discouraged because I was at 15 subs for the longest time. It took me so long to even get 20 subs on that channel. And that's all due to my inconsistency on that channel, because within the 3-year span, I've only posted maybe like 20 or 30 something videos. I already have 30 videos up on this channel in 2 months. So again, proof that consistency and hard work and posting good beats actually get you somewhere. It's not a scam. It's very doable in 2024. And I just want to leave y'all with some words of encouragement. If you're a producer or artist or anything creative, anything at all, whatever, I just really want you to go for it. Because if you quit now, you will never see results. Even if you've been going at it for 5-10 years, it's like you'll never see results if you don't stay consistent. And if you don't have that mindset, you will never get anywhere. You have to stay consistent and continuously put your best foot forward and give the best quality in anything that you do. because eventually you will see growth. And I'm a product of that. It's possible. And I believe in myself so much that I've even decided to quit my job a few months ago to really pursue my career and get as good as possible, because the job that I had was taking so much time out of me. So that's why I'm doing this now. I want to give good content to people. I want to inspire people. I want to make my art. I want to have time to make my art. So I appreciate anyone who watches this. And just to leave off, just to end the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And again, please join the Discord. I would really appreciate that. Like, it's a new Discord. I'm trying to really grow a community. And yeah, and if you want, you can follow my socials. Everything will be in the link in the description below. Thank you. Salut.